Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from Optum Bank to your linked account. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To withdraw from your Optum Bank account to your linked bank account, first, log into your Optum Bank online account. Enter your username and password on the login page. Once logged in, navigate to the Accounts section of your dashboard. In the Accounts section, locate the Optum Bank account you wish to withdraw from. Click on the account to open the detailed view. Look for the Withdraw option, usually found in the Account Overview. Select the Withdraw option to proceed with the transaction. Next, you will need to choose the amount you want to withdraw. Enter the desired withdrawal amount in the designated field. Ensure that the amount does not exceed your available balance. After entering the amount, select the linked bank account where you want to send the funds. If you have multiple linked accounts, confirm the correct one is selected. Review the transaction details to ensure everything is accurate. Once you've verified the information, click the Submit or Confirm button to initiate the withdrawal. You may receive a confirmation message indicating that your request has been submitted successfully. Check your linked bank account after a few business days to ensure the funds have arrived. If you encounter any issues during the process, contact Optum Bank customer support for assistance. Your funds should appear in your linked account shortly after the transaction. Make sure to keep a record of this transaction for your financial records. That concludes the easy tutorial on withdrawing from Optum Bank to your linked account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.